Now we're going to practice photo description because it is an important part of your writing exam in year 7, in year 8, and year 9. Once you get to your GCSEs, it will be part of your speaking exam. So we need to practice a lot to be ready for when the time arrives. Now we have done photo description in class, and you may be familiar with many of this vocabulary and also with the question, ¿qué hay en la foto? What is there in the photo? So I'm going to let you to match this vocabulary in Spanish and in English in your book. You have 2 minutes. Here you have the answers. Self-assess your answers in green pen and give yourself a mark out of 9. So how do we answer this question? ¿Qué hay en la foto? There are many ways, but this is a good beginning. Use en la foto hay. In the picture there is, or in the picture there are. Avoid using no hay. In other words, avoid saying what you cannot see in the picture because the task is about describing what is there, not what is not there. So don't use no hay. Let's see what we can focus on. So we can focus in the place. Where are these girl and dog? Where are they? So en la foto hay un parque. In the picture there is a park. Now, who is in the picture? En la foto hay una chica y un perro. In the picture there is a girl and a dog. So we can focus in what there is in the picture, copy en la foto hay in your book, and also now you know how to say where they are and who they are. So those are 2 things you can always describe in a picture. We can also say the number of people or animals that we can see in a picture. For example, look at this picture. How many people are there? En la foto hay 4 personas. 1, 2, 3 y 4 personas. But you could say exactly who is there. En la foto hay un hombre, una mujer, un chico y una chica. What about this picture? How many dogs can you see? En la foto hay tres perros. Uno, dos y tres. You could also say there are some dogs, as we learned today. En la foto hay unos perros. We can also talk about what the people do or the animals do, but that means that we need an action and therefore you have to conjugate verbs. For example, in this picture of the girl and the dog, la chica y el perro juegan. The girl and the dog play. And as you can see, la chica y el perro is the same than ellos or the same than they. So I need to conjugate my verb juegan in the they form. That's why I add the an at the end for the they form. Now look at this boy. This boy reads. So el chico lee. The boy reads. So as you see, I'm conjugating my verb to read for the he form, for él. So if you choose to describe what the people is doing, then you need to conjugate your verbs. And when talking about a picture, we can also describe the people or describe the place. For example, again with this picture of the girl and the dog. El parque es bonito y grande. The park is beautiful and big. And I'm doing all my agreements here because park is masculine, so all the words, adjectives and articles need to be masculine. But I can also describe the girl. La chica está contenta. The girl is happy or content. Again, if I use this, and be careful because here I'm using está, which means the same than es in English. It's a different verb in Spanish. I'm also using agreements. La and chica and contenta are feminine and singular. So you have many ways of describing a photo. Let's practice a bit more.